In this tutorial, I will guide you through all the necessary steps in order to fix this problem in Black Ops 6, which says connection failed, networking failed to start Reason HUENEME-NEGEV. So follow this tutorial very carefully and you'll be able to fix this issue. So how to fix Black Ops 6 connection failed, network failed to start Reason HUENEME-NEGEV. So I will guide you through all the necessary steps. So listen very carefully in this complete guide. And if you follow all these steps, I'm sure you'll be able to fix this problem. So listen very carefully. The HUENEME-NEGEV error, which is this one, HUENEME-NEGEV, in gaming, particularly reported by players of Call of Duty games, it indicates a connection issue. It indicates a connection issue that prevents the game from communicating with the servers. These errors can be due to several factors such as network connection issues. If the game cannot establish a stable internet connection, it may throw this error, which is this one. So, if the game cannot establish a stable internet connection, it may throw this error. This can be due to poor Wi-Fi, network restrictions, or issues with the internet service provider. So another reason which you can get this error is server-sided problems. Sometimes the game servers may be down due to maintenance or experiencing high traffic, which can cause this error. So network connection issues, server-sided problems, or blocked ports. So blocked ports sometimes can cause this issue. So certain ports are needed for the game to communicate with the server. And if these are blocked by a firewall, router settings, or ISP, it may lead to HUENEME-NEGEV error. So these are the main reasons as to why people may face this issue in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So let's see how to fix this problem. So here are the steps that may help resolve this issue. So I urge you to listen very carefully and you'll be able to fix this problem. A lot of people have found a solution by following these guidelines. So the first step you need is to restart your router and console or PC. So just restart your router, your console if you're using Xbox or maybe PS4. If you're using Xbox or PC, then just try to restart your router, console, or PC. So power cycling your router and gaming device can often resolve temporary network glitches. So the first step you need to try is try to restart your router, console, or PC. Power cycling your router and gaming device can often resolve temporary network glitches. Another step you need to try is use a wired connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to an Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. So use a wired connection to try to see if it can help you resolve this issue. If you followed and are still receiving this error, then let's go to another step which is changing the network port. So changing the network port might help resolve this issue. Make sure the necessary ports for Call of Duty are open on your router. Activation support site provides details on which ports are in the game needs. I actually saw someone recommended this to change network port. As you can see, someone said, for me, picking another alternate port selection worked. I have no idea what it means, but I switched from 3074 to 49994 and it worked. Hope this helps. I'm on Xbox Series X. As you can see, this guy tried to use an alternative port and it worked. Also, someone said, this right here worked for me, Xbox Series S. Tried to pick the QoS boxes and restart, that didn't work. Manually switched from 3000 something to be like this one and it loaded instantly after that. So these guys tried to change an alternative port and it worked. So you can try to see if it can help you solve this issue and try to change network ports. As you can see, Activision has provided a guide on which ports you can use. So I'll leave the link in the description for this website to see which ports you can use on your device to see if you can resolve this issue. So changing the network port might resolve the issue. Make sure the necessary ports of the Call of Duty are open on your router. Activision support site provide details on which ports the game needs. So if you've changed your network port but you're still receiving this connection failed issue, Then let's go to another step, which is flash your DNS. So try flashing your DNS. If you're on PC, just open command prompt window. So just open the window bar and type CMD on your search bar and open command prompt. So after opening command prompt, just come here and copy this command. By the way, I'll leave the link in the description for this script. So just try to copy this command here. Copy it and then go to command prompt and paste it here. So I don't want to paste it here because it will just, as you can see, command prompt is running and said successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. As you can see, successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. So flashing your DNS, this command sequences essentially resets your network settings and clears any DNS related issues. So flashing your DNS using this method can help you reset your network settings and clears any DNS related issues. So if you have do so, which can help fix connectivity problems. So flashing your DNS can help you fix connectivity problems, which can improve access to updated, can help fix connectivity problems or improve access to updated IP addresses. So if you have flashed your DNS, by the way, I didn't want to flash my DNS, but I've just do so. As you can see, Wi-Fi is not connected. So if you have flashed your DNS and you're still receiving this message, then disable VPNs. If you're using a VPN, try to disable it as some game block VPN traffic. You can try to disable VPN to see if it can help you fix this issue. If you followed all the steps, but you're still receiving the same error, then check server status. Sometimes, as you can see, one of the reasons for this problem is server-sided problems. So sometimes the game servers may be down due to under maintenance or high traffic, which can cause this error. So sometimes server-sided problems can cause this problem. So check server status, visit the game official social media pages or status page to see if there is a known issue with the server. So sometimes server issues which you don't need to worry much, you can just wait for some few hours and it can be restored. So visit the game official social media pages or status page to see if there is a known issue with the servers. Also, if the issue persists, reach out to Activation support, just submit a ticket. So if you have followed all the steps, which I'm sure most of you will find a solution, just submit a ticket on the Activation support pages and they can help you resolve this issue. Thank you.